Are you ready to fire up your backyard and take your grilling game to the next level? Have you ever wondered which propane gas grill truly delivers the best bang for your buck, balancing portability, power, and performance? Today, I am counting down the top 5 propane gas grills that I've personally put through their paces, from portable tailgating champs to backyard workhorses. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned grill master, this list will help you find the perfect grill for your needs. Let's jump in. 5. Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Coleman RoadTrip 285, a grill that's built for adventure but comes with a few caveats. This grill boasts a solid 285 square inches of cooking space and up to 20,000 BTUs of grilling power, which is impressive for a portable model. The 3 independently adjustable burners offer fantastic temperature control, making it possible to cook different foods at once: burgers on one side, veggies on the other, and maybe some fish in the middle. The InstaStart ignition system is a real convenience, providing matchless lighting at the push of a button. One of the highlights of the RoadTrip 285 is its sturdy, quick-fold legs and wheels, which make it easy to set up and move around, whether you're camping, tailgating, or just grilling in the backyard. The integrated thermometer and removable water pan for grease management are thoughtful touches that add to the overall usability. I found the cooking performance to be solid, with even heat distribution and quick preheating, which is great when you're hungry and don't want to wait around. However, the RoadTrip 285 isn't without its drawbacks. For a grill marketed as portable, it's surprisingly heavy and bulky, definitely not something you want to lug around on long hikes or carry single-handedly. The side tables, while useful, feel a bit flimsy, and I noticed that the latch to hold the lid down isn't as strong as I'd like. 4. Blackstone 1814 Stainless Steel Propane Gas Grill. At number 4, I have the Blackstone 1814 Portable Propane Griddle, a favorite among outdoor cooking enthusiasts for its compact size and griddle versatility. This model features a 17-inch cooking surface, providing enough room to cook for a small family. Think 9 burgers or a dozen eggs at once. The stainless steel construction is robust, and the built-in hood adds a layer of versatility for different cooking styles. One thing I really appreciated about the Blackstone 1814 is its portability. Weighing in at just 30 pounds and measuring compactly, it's easy to transport for camping trips or tailgating. The integrated grease tray makes cleaning up after cooking straightforward, and the even heat distribution from the H-style burner ensures that food cooks uniformly. No more burnt pancakes or undercooked burgers. The electronic igniter is reliable, and the griddle heats up quickly, making it a breeze to use in almost any outdoor setting. Despite these positives, the Blackstone 1814 does have some limitations. The corners of the griddle don't get as hot as the center, which can lead to uneven cooking if you're trying to maximize the cooking area. I also found that while it's great for breakfast foods and burgers, it doesn't sear steaks as well as a traditional grill, so if you're after those perfect grill marks, you might be a bit disappointed. The griddle requires seasoning before use, which is an extra step that some users might find inconvenient. 3. Weber Spirit 3-Burner Grill E325 Liquid Propane. This grill is a true workhorse, offering 360 square inches of primary cooking space, plus a 90 square inch warming rack. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates are reversible, letting you choose between flat and pointy sides for different grilling styles. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy metal lid and fold-down side shelves that make it both durable and space-efficient. The standout feature of the E325 is its dedicated sear zone, which combines 2 burners for a 40% boost in heat. During my tests, I was able to hit temperatures of up to 700 degrees F in the sear zone, perfect for achieving steakhouse quality sear marks. The Snapjet ignition system is rock solid, firing up the burners quickly and evenly every time. I found the heat distribution across the grates to be impressively consistent, with only minor adjustments needed for even cooking. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the redesigned grease management system, which includes a removable drip tray that slides out easily. No more scraping through narrow catch basins, just a quick wipe down and you're ready for the next cookout. The enclosed cart provides storage for your propane tank and grilling tools, keeping everything organized and out of sight. In terms of performance, the E325 handled everything I threw at it: steaks, burgers, pork chops, chicken wings, and more. 2. Kenmore 3-burner propane BBQ grill. Runner-up on our list is the Kenmore 3-burner propane BBQ grill, a model that blends style, space, and solid performance. With 496 square inches of total cooking space and 30,000 BTUs of heat, this grill is perfect for cooking up a feast for family and friends. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates offer excellent heat retention and are easy to clean, while the electronic ignition ensures quick, hassle-free starts every time. One of the features I love about this grill is its foldable side shelves, which make it compact enough for smaller patios or decks without sacrificing prep space. The built-in lid thermometer and warming rack add to its versatility, allowing you to monitor temperatures and keep food warm until serving. The 4 swivel casters make it easy to move around, and the enclosed cabinet neatly houses the propane tank, keeping your grilling area tidy. In my experience, the Kenmore 3-burner delivers even heat across the entire cooking surface, making it easy to grill everything from steaks to veggies without worrying about hot or cold spots. The grease tray and cup system make cleanup straightforward, and the overall design is both sleek and functional. The grill is available in several color options, so you can pick one that matches your outdoor decor. While Kenmore may not have the same BBQ pedigree as some other brands, I found this grill to be a reliable and attractive addition to any backyard. It's well suited for both casual grillers and those who love to entertain. 1. Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner propane gas grill. Taking the top spot is the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner propane gas grill, a compact powerhouse that truly impressed me during testing. Don't let its small footprint fool you. This grill packs a punch with 28,000 BTUs of cooking energy and a 401 square inch cooking area. The dual energy valves allow you to easily convert from propane to natural gas, offering unmatched flexibility for different setups. The Nexgrill Deluxe is built with polished stainless steel and porcelain-coated steel, giving it both durability and a modern, stylish look. The foldable side shelves are a game changer for small spaces, allowing you to maximize your grilling area when needed and tuck the shelves away for storage. The 2 porcelain cast iron cooking grids provide excellent heat retention and leave beautiful grill marks on your food. Performance-wise, this grill heats up quickly and maintains even temperatures across the surface thanks to the angled stainless steel flame tamers. Flare-ups are minimized, and the electronic ignition system ensures reliable starts every time. I found the Nexgrill Deluxe to be incredibly versatile, handling everything from burgers to chicken to veggies with ease. The upper-level cooking rack is perfect for toasting buns or keeping food warm while you finish grilling. What really sets the Nexgrill Deluxe apart is its thoughtful design. The cart area features a door that hides the propane tank and offers extra storage, while the wheels make it easy to move the grill around your patio or deck. Final thought. So, which grill will you choose to elevate your next barbecue? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more grilling tips and reviews.